Jim Link. I'm a Sodick application engineer, and I'm here today with the VL400-600Q. 600 millimeters of travel on the x-axis, 400 millimeters of travel on the y, 270 millimeters in the z, with 80 millimeters of UV travel. This machine has an automatic wire thread on it. It can handle wire diameters from 4 thousandths to 12 thousandths. The controller is a touchscreen controller. Allows us to bring in DXF files and write our G-code from DXF files. Literally with a few mouse clicks, you would be able to get G-code on it. Two-piece unit with machine tool and the water tank. Our chiller is the standard unit. This machine can handle up to a 22-pound spool of wire on it. Right now I'm cutting a little job, showing you different fits of the machine. I have a 2/10 clearance on these male and female parts. It does automatic level of the water, which is censored on the head. The machine will not fill the tank with water if the door is open. And if you are interested in this Sodick VL400-600Q, please contact your salesman from Syracuse Supply, and he'd be more than willing and happy to help you out with any Sodick product.